To clean or replace the air filter on your P2000i generator, follow these steps. Ensure the generator is on a flat, level surface. Loosen the two maintenance cover fasteners, pivot the cover out, and remove the cover. Next, route the fuel hoses away from the airbox. Then clean the area around the airbox thoroughly. Next, remove the screw from the front of the airbox and remove the cover. Then remove the air filter and inspect for any damage or excessive debris and replace as needed. If reusing the air filter, submerge the filter in a solution of warm water and household detergent. Squeeze out the excess water after soaking and repeat several times until the water coming from the filter is clean. Once completely dry, apply air filter oil to the foam filter and distribute evenly. Remove any excess oil and replace if any damage occurs to the filter. Next, clean the inside of the airbox and cover thoroughly. Then, reinstall the air filter and ensure it is fully seated. Reinstall the airbox cover, ensuring a proper fit, and torque the fasteners to specification. Next, reposition the fuel hoses in their holders at the bottom of the generator. Lastly, reinstall the maintenance cover by aligning the bottom tabs and pivoting in to align the mounting holes. Then install the fasteners and torque until fully seated. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.